Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have the video today that can be done either curbside or in-store. For some of these I recommend to do them in-store because there's register rewards that may print. So why not, guys? Why not try and get money makers happening? So if you go into the Walgreens app and type in deodorant clearance or clearance deodorant, and look, I even misspelled it, and a whole list of items should populate for you at the top where you're just doing a general search. Just type that in to see, does my store have this, yes or no. Now what I found, and I tried multiple stores, no matter what I was finding saying that it's sold in store, I could not add it to a basket. However, I was in the store on Monday and Tuesday and I saw multiples of the Axe and the Dove products with the orange stickers. So you can do this in store. Unfortunately, I cannot add this to a basket. Maybe you would have better luck than I. If you want to just add it to a basket, by all means do it. But if you can't and you see that it's in stock, I recommend that you go to in store. And how to get the Axe for free is to try to get 2 deodorants close to $5 or $5 on the nose, or 2 at $1.79, and that 5 off 2 coupon will reduce down to cost. You won't get overage with a curbside pickup. In store, you'd have to be $5 or more. Now that I've really confused you. These 2 double packs I picked up on Tuesday, they were $2.79 each. With the 5 off 2, I paid like 60 cents for the 2 double packs of Axe. So it was in fact attaching with that product. It worked in store. It was a joy, and I was so happy about that, to get like, a stick of deodorant for 15 cents. I mean, that's just unheard of. So I would definitely try and do this one in store or curbside or however you can do it. For the Dove products, as there is this promotion of buy 2 to get a $2 register reward, I really recommend that you do this in store. It might print, it might not. My problem, guys, and this is really crazy, no matter what I did, even if I tried to twirl around 6 times at the register rewards were not printing and the coupons were not coming off for me. However, customer service credited me the $6 coupon twice. For both the men and the women's, which is really bizarre, but they did that for me. So you might have to, mess around a little bit with that, but they did honor it because I was more than $6. And in store, your subtotal will have to be $6 or more for these coupons to come off. So I just want to show you some of the stuff that I was finding on clearance in my area. We have this $2.29 Dove brick deodorant, which is a solid deodorant. It's not a spray, so that's why we call it a brick. $2.29. So you'd have to grab 3 of these to get that 6 off of 2 to attach. And then there's a ton of body washes where this coupon is also attaching. These are a little bit more. So possibly you can grab a $6.29 and one of these cheaper body washes. That's close to $6. And that 6 off of 2 will come off. And if they're both tagged for the $2 register reward, like let's hope in store that'll print. And then there's also this guy for $3.99, which is just a little bit more. And my store for the most part said all of this stuff is in stock. So I think this is fresh clearance that started in the system, and hopefully it's ringing up in store and online. But I did see a lot of this stuff orange tagged on Tuesday. I really also recommend that you ask for price checks in case it's ringing up for $7, that you're not given a great little surprise at checkout. Now we have this ladies Dove body wash that 6 off of 2 is attaching, and there are various dry sprays and stick deodorants that I was buying in store. I tried that deal a couple different times, and that coupon for whatever reason wouldn't attach, although it's saying in the app. So customer service would credit you that. And if the $2 register reward prints, by all means try and make it happen. Register rewards print also in store only. So if you're trying to do this all curbside, not gonna work. A lot of us are on a health journey in the new year. So if you need these probiotics by Renew Life, it's a 3-day cleanse. We have a $4 digital. It's reduced down for this item to $4.29, so it'd make it 29 cents. As you can see, I can't even pick this up, so hopefully you have better luck than I. Maybe price check or throw it into a curbside basket if it's ringing up full price at your store. And the Nerds, you can do this one either curbside or in store. They're 2 for $4 for these smaller 3-ounce bags. We have a $2.50 off of 1 plus a dollar store coupon. So this is going to drop this guy down to 50 cents for the 2 bags. If you're trying to make something really nice for Valentine's Day on the cheap, this might be a way to get some very inexpensive candy. On Tuesday, I went to Ross's Dress for Less, and a lot of their Christmas stuff that includes coffees, teas, chocolates, gift wrap, any sort of like ornaments and stuff. Lots of this stuff went down to 49 cents at my location. It's happening out throughout the US. Shoppers in Florida, Minnesota, Texas, all over the place are reporting like, hey, it's happening here too. This is for an entire week, and it's going for the next 3 weeks, where they're going to be dropping various sections, clothing, body care, purses, little hats and stuff have not gone 49 cents yet. I'm assuming the next 2 weeks. But if you like Christmas stuff like most of us do, please check out this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one, and good luck at Walgreens.